No, it's that it's that dew point up around 70 that's got us going. And they've closed the roof of Minute Maid Park. I was so excited. And the Yankees are in town playing. Good job, guys. The Yankees are in town playing. It's a 7-10 game, and they closed the roof because there is a slight chance for a shower. It'll still be 78 degrees. It'll be pleasant as you walk up there. Don't worry too much. You won't need an umbrella or anything like that. This evening, we'll see 74 degrees. Sun setting close to 8 p.m., 73 at 10 o'clock, and 70 by midnight. So it's humid outside. It's Houston as we know it and as we love it. There are some sprinkles and showers we're dodging, some areas of drizzle, lots of overcast conditions, and this will be with us pretty much all night. The wind has been a factor. Southeast winds right now about 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusting to about 30 at times. It's 77 in Galveston, 76 in Conroe, 78 degrees right now in Pearland, Sugarland, 78 degrees. Winds inland through this evening will be southeast about 14, 15 miles an hour early, and then after 10 o'clock they'll start to drop off to about 10 miles an hour. So it'll be breezy all night tonight. And at the coastline, it's going to be downright windy all night with southeast winds about 18 to 20 miles an hour through 9 p.m. and about the same even after midnight. So heads up there if you have any plans on the coastline. Okay, so locally we're dealing with clouds, but for the first time this season in Kansas and Nebraska, they're seeing tornadoes. In fact, this is a tornado watch for Nebraska, Kansas, all the way down into Oklahoma, and there's an active tornado warning right now between Dodge City, Kansas and Salina, Kansas. This tornado detected by radar, soon to be spotted if it is in fact on the ground, because there are lots of spotters up there tracking these storms. And with tomorrow's storm risk being even higher, with a 4 out of 5 risk near Kansas City, you can bet the relative drought, I should say, of tornadoes, which has been a good thing with no tornadoes for Kansas or Oklahoma so far this season until today. Well, they hopefully will not, but could catch up with more bad weather. Tomorrow could be a tornado day for those folks. All right, so for us, a 20% chance of rain through the rest of this evening. Tomorrow, the clouds will tend to lift north. That'll allow temperatures to push 90 degrees before the close of business tomorrow. Then clouds on the increase again for Thursday and Friday as a cold front approaches. Friday could be a cloudy day for Houston, while it's a very rainy day with even possible flooding in the hill country. That system then moves our way for Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo looking wet, and it could feature some torrential downpours embedded. Now, the overall flow features high pressure building in over the Gulf of Mexico, a summer-like pattern with heat also building. And by the way, we're 1 month away from the start of hurricane season. If you buy FEMA flood insurance today, it takes 30 days to kick in, as it does anytime. It always takes about a month. And so if you buy it today through your insurance brokerage, your homeowner's insurance, you'll be covered. But if you wait, you won't be. So heads up on that. There's more on this on our weather blog at KHE.com. Blake Matthews just wrote a very extensive and informative entry there. So check it out. It's under the weather section. So your forecast, we'll see 89 degrees for the day tomorrow, 87 for Thursday, Friday 85, Saturday a 70% chance for rain, and that will have impacts on the Galaxy game. The LA Galaxy will be playing the Dynamo on Saturday evening, so heads up there. Otherwise, more warm weather. Look for 90 around Tuesday, guys. Coming up in the next half hour, we'll take a look at the 10-day forecast. Features more of the same.
Well, we're ready for it now.
And I'll be less tongue-tied.
Thanks, Brooks.
No worries.
Well,